Welcome back. In this video, we're gonna talk about types of adapters. In Android, there are several types of adapters used to connect data sources to UI components for displaying lists, grids, and other types of data. In the previous video, we created this ListView using the ArrayAdapter. An ArrayAdapter is used to bind an array or a list of items to a ListView. It's suitable for simple data like strings or simple objects. So the first type of adapters is the ArrayAdapter. The second type is BaseAdapter. BaseAdapter is a more customizable adapter that requires you to subclass it and implement certain methods. It's suitable when you need more control over view creation and recycling. In the previous video, we learned about this ListView and we used the simple list item number 1. And if we go Control and left mouse, we can open this layout. And you can see this is the attribute and this is the text view, and these are the attributes of this text view. If we need to create a customized text view, items of this list view, for example, I need red and bigger text view. So I need to use a customized adapter, which is a BaseAdapter. Let's create a customized layout in the layout folder, new layout resource file, and I'll name it as my list underscore item. I'll go to split mode, and inside it, I'll create a text view. And here we go. This is our text view, and you can see it's in red and with 32 sp as text size. I'll add padding 10 dp and I'll increase the size to 48. So this will represent the layout of each item in the list. Think about it as a template for each item in the list. Let's go to the main activity, and this is our list view that we created in the previous video. Now let's create a new Java class that extends BaseAdapter. I'll name it as my custom adapter. Click enter, and this class will extend BaseAdapter and implement the required methods. Alt plus enter to implement the methods, and we have 4 methods that we should implement. Hit OK. And these are the 4 methods. Let's dive into each of these methods. When creating a custom adapter by extending BaseAdapter, you need to implement several methods to define how your data is presented and managed in a list view or similar UI components. Let's start with the getCount method. This method returns the number of items in your data source. It tells the adapter how many items it should create views for. And to get the number of items, I need to create 2 variables and a constructor of custom adapter. The first field is a context object, Alt plus enter, and private string array. You can see the data source is a string array, but the main purpose is to make a customization for the list item. So for that, we use the custom adapter that extends BaseAdapter. So you can see that the source is the same. The data source is similar to the previous example, but here is the customization of the list items. The context. The term context refers to the object that provides access to various resources and services within the application environment. It acts as a bridge between the application code and the Android operating system, allowing you to interact with the system, access resources, and perform various tasks. I need to create a constructor to pass the context and the item's data source.